Bluehost Review 2021 and FAQ. As we veer into a world more dedicated to web design and promoting ourselves or products around the world using the internet to do it, websites become the critical storefront that we need to keep looking as fantastic as possible so that we're always in the right place to be able to bring in new customers. While design can do a lot, the real power of a website is the hosting software that you choose to be the powerhouse of your website. And here's why you should consider Bluehost to be the best choice for you and your plans, whatever they may turn out to be. When was Bluehost founded? A long history of 20+ years. Firstly, this company's been around since the Stone Ages of the Internet. 1996. Even more impressive than its birth. Stayed in business, and it's got itself a loyal, large fan base as far as users are concerned. It pairs with some of the biggest names in the website-based world, and has got an excellent reputation for all of the right reasons. It has done nothing but grow since its beginning. And it doesn't look like that's going to change anytime soon. A lot of the earliest companies from the early days have gone out of business, are on their last legs, or they've been taken over by the more significant names. But Bluehost has made itself one of the top contenders along with the newer companies that are taking over the market. And there's a lot to be said for that. How reliable is Bluehost hosting service? Reliable in strength. One of the biggest perks of Bluehost is that you'll be able to trust its strength and dependability as a hosting software, as you will hear about in a bit. This is meant for the heavy traffic that you're going to be getting to your website, making downtime something you won't worry about. And it's active in its core concepts that have to do with everything from security to reliability and its features. Bluehost is a reliable and sturdy hosting system that has all of the biggest, hard-earned resources backing it up in terms of the root of its strength. Will Bluehost prices go up after signing up? Standard pricing. Despite its leader standing in the official world of hosting options, Bluehost keeps its prices stable at the standard rates instead of hiking them up simply because they're a big deal and they can afford to do so. While the rates are priced on the higher end of the options, they are well within the standard limits as far as their competition is concerned. When you pay their rate, you are paying what you'd pay anywhere else. For even more perks and professional features that keep Bluehost in business for the right reasons. Does Bluehost provide SSL certificates? SSL certificates are part of the package. When you get into understanding Google and its place in website design, you know that SSL certificates are critical for making sure that you get the right interest and prestige that you're looking for in order to make sure that Google knows who you are and why you need to be noticed by their Autobots. In each package that you choose with Bluehost, you'll be getting SSL certificate as part of the package price. That way, it isn't an additional purchase that you need to think about and clear in your mind in terms of its worth. It's one of those full package deals that you love to find. And you'll be getting great hosting services on top of that vital SSL certificate as well. Is Bluehost hosting space limited? Unlimited hosting resources. So, let's get into the details a bit. When you choose Bluehost, you'll be able to sign up to have unlimited access to all of the resources that you need. A great example is the cloud storage that you are going to be depending on in terms of media uploading and saving. Bluehost a no-holds-barred unlimited cloud storage for each user that chooses its services as a host, meaning you won't have to keep purchasing extra storage or pay monthly fees on top of your hosting services. It's all included in the fee for the hosting software. That's a huge perk right there. You have to agree. Visit Bluehost, click the first link in the description. Is Bluehost dependable? Downtime is a thing of the past. even if you have a great website and a lot of traffic flooding to it every single day. You're going to be impressed with the way it handles it all and doesn't leave you facing downtime unexpectedly. While accidents do happen at times where the host will go down, it's going to be extremely rare to happen in using Bluehost. And that includes the heavy-duty, high-traffic websites as well as the smaller or medium-sized websites. Bluehost is dedicated to helping each website stay online and active even during its peak hours. Does Bluehost work good with WordPress? Perfect for WordPress users. WordPress is one of the leaders in modern web design, and Bluehost is designed to work correctly with it, cementing its place as the leader in hosting platforms available. This is the right kind hosting service to choose if you are looking to stay with WordPress and all of the perks that it can offer its many customers. And Bluehost can take over as the hosting service without any hiccups or growing pains that are commonly a part of changing hosting platforms. Is Bluehost a safe hosting service? 3 Anti-Spam Professional Tools. To keep security at the forefront of Bluehost, you'll be getting access to Apache Spam Assassin, Spam Experts, and Spam Hammer with the packages offered so that you won't have to take a look at getting an extra addition of heavy-duty security when upgrading your website. This is the final fact you need to know about all of the great things that Bluehost can offer the website looking to grow. Where is Bluehost located? Headquarters. Bluehost powers more than 2 million domains, which is unique. It has a large 50,000 square feet facility in Provo, Utah, where it has its servers. That's where Bluehost hired more than 700 people to take care of and manage these servers. The type of services offered by Bluehost includes WordPress hosting, dedicated hosting, shared hosting, and VPS hosting, among others. What type of hosting does Bluehost have? One thing to keep in mind about Bluehost is that it brings you multiple hosting plans that suit your needs and expectations. The best part is that each one of them can suit your needs and requirements. Shared hosting is one of the best ways to start a site. It's inexpensive, and it still offers you enough room to grow. Plus, you won't have to worry about investing too much at first. Cloud hosting is great because it's straightforward to upgrade. You can access a variety of cloud servers, and the site can easily switch to a new server if there are outages or you have much traffic. WordPress hosting is great if you are a WordPress user. It's optimized for the platform. It can boost your SEO, and it does bring in front a significant return on investment. WooCommerce hosting helps you a lot because it helps you to start an online store in no time. You can quickly start your own online business with this in no time. VPS hosting makes it easy for you to access dedicated virtual resources. You will have a virtual server which runs better and faster. Dedicated server hosting offers you all the server resources for yourself. This puts you in control, and it offers you all the features you need in a comprehensive package. Each one of the Bluehost packages is designed to bring you an efficient, unique way to enjoy the experience and take things to the next level. Plus, each one of the plans offers you a hosting control panel that makes it easy to manage your hosting experience and create databases in no time. How much does Bluehost cost? Bluehost's shared hosting plans. This is maybe the most affordable solution that you can use if you want to create a new website. There are 3 primary levels that you need to take into account in this regard. Basic. Their basic plan only lets you host a single website. You have a single domain and up to 25 subdomains. You will also get 5 email accounts with 100 megabyte storage each and 50 gigabytes of storage in total. The initial cost is $2. $95. And when you renew, it costs $7.99. Plus costs you a bit more since it offers unlimited sites and unlimited bandwidth and space. It will be $5.45 at first, and when you renew it will be $10.99 each month. Prime has all of the above as well as Site Backup Pro as well as domain privacy. You will have the same plus price at first, but the renewal is $14.99. Great customer service. Phone support is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Sundays. They won't take more than a few minutes to reply. The instant chat is beneficial and fast, too, as well as their email system. The control panel is easy to access, which is helpful while contacting support. So there are many ways you can use to get in touch with them. Hosting websites since 1996, Bluehost is known for delivering some of the best value and quality on the market. Their unique approach and the fact that they have a vast staff who takes care of their data center does show a lot. The service is exemplary, and the quality is impressive. You can rarely find something better than this. Bluehost may only be one of the options, but it's one of the best options you are going to get for value for money as well as realistic perks that are useful for its users. If you want something geared for your website, this is the hosting platform to choose. Click the first link in the description below to order Bluehost.